Hello, my name is Kate Eichstead, and I work as a program coordinator for the 4-H program in Hawaii. I want to share with you today about the 4-H STEM Lab resources. These are free resources that are a great way to add STEM projects to your 4-H club, your after-school program, or to do as a family.
.4-H is structured around the experiential learning model. All activities are hands-on learning experiences. Processing questions are included with each activity. Remember that processing with the youth using the experiential learning model is just as important as doing the hands-on activity. Our first experiment is Fizzy Foam Fun. This 4-H STEM experiment introduces kids to chemical reactions. They'll learn how chemical reactions are impacted by a catalyst, a material that speeds up reactions but doesn't react itself. In this activity, youth will create colorful foam fountains by adding yeast to a chemical reaction. The topic is chemistry, and the grade suggested is pre-K through 2nd grade. And it's estimated to take about 20 minutes.
Hi, I'm Julia.
And I'm Kate. Today we're going to do a Clover Bud activity called Fizzy Foam Fun. Does that sound fun? So to start, we're going to take a 1/2 cup of warm water. Put that in the bigger bowl here. Yeah, go ahead. And then we're going to take a whole packet of active dry yeast. Let me cut that for you. And go ahead and put that in there. Sprinkle the whole packet in there. Great. Put it aside and let that sit for a minute. And then inside of the bottle, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide, and we're using 3%, and you could use 3 to 6%.
Kate, can you hold it and I hold it?
I will. So I'll hold it for you while you put the peroxide in. We're going to use a funnel to help us get all the liquid in there. Good job. A few drops of green food coloring in there for 4-H.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right. And then we're going to go add a few drops of detergent. I'm going to put a few drops of soap. Yep. That is liquid soap. We're going to mix in the yeast and water mixture. So you want to go ahead and pour that in?
You do it.
You hold it? Okay. So we're going to pour this in, and as soon as we pour this in, we're going to go ahead and step back and watch the reaction.
Yes.
You ready?
Yes. That is even so pretty.
Look how it comes off the side.
Yeah, and I see.
And this is safe to touch, so what does it feel like?
It feels like soap in hot water.
So it feels warm.
Because we use warm water. Let's get it on.
Make sure to engage youth in discussion during and after the experiments. Some of the questions included in the Fizzy Foam Fun are: what did you observe before adding the water and yeast mixture? What changed when you added in the water and yeast mixture? And what do you notice if you touch the bubbles? Can you think of any other ESPGA questions that you would ask youth? Some bonus fun is that you could set up bottles using different colored dyes. You can experiment with different amounts of hydrogen peroxide and different amounts of yeast. Make observations and compare the reactions. Our next experiment is Cancan Robot. This 4-H STEM Lab experiment introduces kids to mechanical engineering. They will learn how moving and non-moving parts interact with building a machine. This topic is mechanical engineering, and it is aimed at grades 3 to 5, but can be adjusted for age appropriateness for older or younger grades. For this experiment, we're working with some middle schoolers today. This activity can take around 45 minutes to an hour.
Hi, I'm Kate, and I'm here with
Kyrie,
Anne,
Mia.
and we're here today to do a 4-H project called Cancan Robot. And we're going to be working on mechanical engineering and making a robot that draws. All right, we just went over some directions, and we're going to get started on the project. Are you ready?
Yes.
Great.
Thing? So, would you want it to be constant? So if the battery is on the
I
thing.
feel like if we do the battery on top of
I
here,
think
then
we should do the battery down here.
Okay.
But what do you think?
I don't know. We can just put it on here so we don't have to. Oh wait, never mind.
You still have to hold
Yeah, the other way's better.
it. Okay. Oh.
Ooh.
So it's like thinner on this side and thicker on this side. It's tough. Maybe do you I was gonna say, do you think it would move if you pull the wire? If it would move in different directions?
No, let's just do like this, because I think the wire is.
Some youth engagement questions that we used during the Cancan Robot were: what aspects of your design worked well? What could have been improved? And how could you change what your robot can draw? Some bonus fun that can be had with this activity is that you can place the robot parts in different places and compare the different designs. You can get creative and try designing the robot on your own or in groups. You don't have to be a scientist to spark STEM learning in youth. Each 4-H STEM activity does come with an explanation that can help you as a facilitator. For these free resources, check out 4h.org or simply type in 4-H STEM Lab in your search engine. We can't wait to hear how you use these resources. Thank you for viewing our webinar. Have a great day.